In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a design using Canva AI. So in your homepage, click on Canva AI, which is in the left sidebar. So click on Canva AI and then click on this text box that is in the Canva AI menu. It should expand and show you these options. Click on design option, and then within the design option, once you click it, it's going to show a subset of designs, and you can click on any of these if you want your prompt to be very specific, or you can keep it in the design selected to make it just broad, and whatever the Canva AI makes is going to choose the design. But I'm gonna just select presentation here, and you can just give it a prompt. Over here you can see some ideas. They don't really detail their prompts a lot. I'm going to insert a very detailed prompt here to see what this Canva AI can create for me. So insert your prompt, and it's going to now start creating your design. And it may take a while here. He's going to now ask you a little bit about how your design should be. So I'm going to just choose short here, submit. And here he's just he's listing here the what he's going to do for each slide. So I'm going to just click generate design because I agree with all this, so it should be good. And now he's actually creating the design. So yeah, it's a whole process to actually get a design out, because they actually need some information. You can't just create it from one single prompt. But here it is, and yeah, there's the design. And if you hover over one, you can see all the slides. And there's another one that you can see. As you can see, if you click on them, you can see it right here. And you can change it and everything. You can also use the Canva editor if you want this to be on the actual page where you edit. And yeah, I think this prompt was very effective because it showed exactly what I need in this design or presentation. And you can click use Canva here to make it appear in this page. And now you're free to edit and do anything within these slides. And yep, that's how you create a design using Canva AI, or presentation design using Canva AI. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.